What's up, everybody? It's Gary the Bearded Woodworker. I'm here with Alex.
From I Think I'm a Nerd.
And we're doing a school project. We built this. Dun, 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 dun. Does it work? I don't know. Stick around till after the build. Alex, briefly explain what we're working on.
So, in my class, we've been learning on energies, on kinetic and potential, and our class project is to make a catapult using those concepts. And so I've drawn up a concept using like a cable of some sort, elastic cable. We'll pull it back. It'll create tension and potential energy, and so when we release it, it'll fling it. We'll make something to stop it at the perfect angle to send it flying.
Yeah. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to connect the arm and the base and find out where we want the pivot point, clamp them together, and then drill a hole through all three so we know where it's going to line up once we get the base done.
Mm-hmm. Is that right?
Yeah, that looks good.
That's about right on the pencil mark.
There you go. Scratch that idea. We don't need a pre-drill and counterfeit.
Okay.
We're going into, this is plywood. The plywood's not going to split. And I can drill it in enough. That's quicker. So after I show Alex how to do this one, he's going to do the other one all by himself. I mean, I'll hold it. I'll hold it like he's holding it.
Yeah, see, that was helpful.
Yeah. Alright, Alex, your turn.
Alright. It'll switch sides, right? That's not enough.
Yeah, I gotta fill that bottle up. It's a little hard to squeeze now.
Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good.
Kind of up a little further, like you want to go in the middle of 1.5 inches, so.
Look at that. So, we're just testing out to see how far this will go. Oh, wow, that's alright. So we put about the space that it's gonna be separated. We put screws on the sides to hook them on, put a screw here to stop it, and now we're gonna test how far we can pull it back and what it's going to be like once we release.
We don't even have, we literally just have the carriage bolt.
It's not even connected on the side.
Yeah. We're just seeing if it'll even work, right?
Yeah. But it's scary. That seems iffy. Should it only come down here?
I don't know. Let go and see.
I mean, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
But it came undone again.
So literally all we did was just put screws here to hold the hook in place because there's no way we could just even hold it with our finger. Time to fill up the glue bot. No, are you stupid? I'm not gonna do that.
Yay! This is online shop class for me, but not online. Thanks, Dad.
Alright, so then the other one will make approximately 8 inches. We'll put the other one in here. Holy lock in the shot.
You? Oh. Well, guess what, Dad? Guess who has 2 camera angles? We do.
So now we have supports in between each triangle. It's time to divide up the washers to make it even inside, and we'll put this together. We'll add four washers.
Oh, I see.
Add the arm.
I had to think a bit.
So, and I know our hole is off-centered a little, so I don't know if this needs to be turned around or not. How does that look? Yeah, that's centered. All right, so now we need to try to put the rest of the other 4 washers.
Oh my, how do you do that?
In there.
Got it, you got it, you got it. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
You're just
Oh, yeah.
faster than you.
Yeah. You're doing good. You're doing good. Whoops, whoops, you're out of the groove. You're out of the groove. You're out of the groove. You're starting a new cut after already putting a groove in there.
Oh,
See that groove? Wait. You want to go there?
Yeah.
So now we're going to get rid of this screw. And we're going to put in, I don't have an eyelet, but I have this.
Ooh. We got a hook.
So we'll start putting it in by hand. All right, we'll do it by hand.
Whoa, how far do we want?
Grab the hammer. Let's see if we can't. I want to be able to like. Secure that baby in place. There we go. So I'm going to take these 3-inch screws. I've removed the hook from it. I'm going to go directly into the hole and into the 2x4. So see what we did? We took out the hook, screwed it right into the wood. We've got this threaded hook in there, and I think now we're probably secured.
We created a legit weapon. Like.
Yeah, all right, pull it back now, Alex, and see what happens.
That'll be the basket thing.
Yeah. So I couldn't find any black ABS piping or anything, so I made a barber pole. It kind of looks like a big candy cane too. But I cut a piece of this off. I think we're gonna put a wooden base on the bottom, and then we'll be able to attach it to this, and the ball will set not all the way inside because the base will be in there, but it'll set enough that it'll be friction free, and I think it'll be large enough to put other things in. So we're going to do that, put it on, and then I think we'll be able to go outside while there's still a little daylight and shoot this for the first time. Woo-hoo! Whoops.
Go. Oh.
That's the only size that I had that kind of works, so screw it in. Uh-huh. Now try that. See that? All right. Okay. That looks like...
Are we finished? Do we want... It looks kind of ridiculous, but also awesome. How much?
So now comes the time where we're ready to test this catapult out. This is the first time we're going to do it right here on camera. You guys are seeing it for the first time as well.
3, 2, 1.
Wah, wah.
Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong?
So it didn't go as far as we thought it would. There's pretty good tension on it when we're first pulling it, but once it gets pulled further back, I actually think the tension releases a little. There's good tension, but once it comes back this way, I don't know if we're gaining any more tension or not.
Yeah. Did that go further?
I don't think it went any further. But the fact is that it launched and it was cool. The only thing I could think of us doing without changing the whole design is I'm going to add another rubber cord to the bottom and have a... All right, new and improved bungee. All right, here, I'm recording.
You got the ball. Holy crap.
We're gonna put the brute strength into it.
You just gotta.
I'm gonna get down on my knees here.
That is so much better.
Hang on, angry bird.
Holy crap! There he goes! About
80 feet. You know what? Title is now back to Awesome Catapult. Boom, boom. So all in all, I think it's safe to say that this was a success. The first time we were a little disappointed, but I think it was just the tension in our bungee cord. Putting a new bungee cord on it made it more difficult to pull back, but it did give us the launch that we desired. So could we put a crank on it? Could we put something that catches and release it? Yes, but this is just kind of a simple science project, and we wanted to make sure that it worked and get it out and test it. It's a Sunday night. He has school tomorrow. I think actually he just needed to have a design, but we wanted to build and launch it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the I think I'm a Nerd channel. He's also doing a video so you can compare the different videos of Teenager and the Bearded Woodworker here. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves.
Bye.
Oh, and don't forget to check out these right here. Some other build videos. I'm gonna wait like a couple more seconds, I guess.
It hurt me.